Today, we will discuss about the food and feeding habits in fishes. Feeding is essential for growth, maintenance, and reproduction in fishes. The fishes exhibit feeding habits from simpler filter feeding to highly predatory life. The feeding habits of fishes are assessed by three methods. First one is field observation. Second one is analysis of gut content. Third one is laboratory experiment. Food available in the nature can be classified as plankton, nekton, benthos, and detritus. First one is plankton. Plankton is a microscopic organism with little or no power of locomotion. They drift at the mercy of water currents. They are broadly grouped into two categories depending on the presence or absence of chlorophyll pigments. First one is phytoplankton, that is having chlorophyll in the cells. The examples are diatoms and dinoflagellates. The second one is zooplankton, that is without chlorophyll. The examples are copepod, crustacean larvae, other microscopic invertebrates. The second one is nekton. Nektons are actively swimming organisms capable of independent movement. They actively maintain their position despite the drifting water currents. They may be present at the surface or at the bottom or of water column. The examples are fishes, shrimp, cuttlefishes, and squid. The third one is benthos. These are bottom-dwelling organisms with little or no movement. They are mostly invertebrate living on the substratum. The examples are annelid worms, bivalves, gastropod. The fourth one is detritus. It is the dead and decayed organic matter of plant and animal origin. The decomposing bit of leaves, twigs, barks, water plants, and animals form detritus. Then the other classification is based on the importance. They are generally classified into four types. First one is main or basic food. Food which is normally eaten by the fish or the most preferred food is the main food. Therefore, included in large quantities in their diet. The second one is occasional or secondary food. When the main food is not available, fish feed other available food temporarily. This type of food is called occasional or secondary food. The third one is incidental food. This type of food that occasionally enter the gut of the fish along with the main food items. The fourth one is emergency food. This is also called obligatory food. This is the one which a fish takes in the absence of basic food to maintain their physiological activities. It is taken only where there is no alternate food is available. Based on the extent of variation in the selection of food, the following three categories. First one is euryphagic fishes. These fishes feed upon a variety of different types of food. Then next one is ctenophagic. These feed upon a certain selected kind of food. Then next one is monophagic. These fishes feed upon single type of food. Depending on the character of food they take, fishes are classified several types. First one is herbivorous fishes. A number of fishes feed on unicellular algae, filamentous algae, and also higher aquatic plants. If the plant material in the diet is 75% or more, these fishes are considered to be herbivorous. Examples are Labio fimbriatus, Labio rohita. Second one is omnivorous feeder. Those feeding on both the plant and animal matter is called omnivorous feeder. The food of these fishes consists of varying percentage of plant and animal, and they form a link between herbivorous and carnivorous fishes. The examples are Etrobus, Cyprus carpio, Claris petracus. The third one is planktivorous fishes. Feeding mainly on plankton is called planktivorous fishes. These are two types, phyto and zooplankton feeder. The cutla is a zooplankton feeder and silver carp is a phytoplankton feeder. The fourth one is detritivorous feeder. Those feeding mainly on detritus. The examples are Labio calabasu and Mugicephalus. The fifth one is carnivorous feeder. These fishes feed upon a material of animal origin like mollusks, crustaceans, fish fry, fingerlings, and small fishes are called carnivorous feeder. The examples are Vallagatu, Misty Singala, Channa striatus. Depending on the position in the water column they occupy, the fishes are categorized into surface feeder, midwater feeder, and a bottom feeder. The first one is surface feeder. Fishes which live in the surface and feeding mostly on the food available in the uppermost layer of water is called the surface feeder. Then cutla feeding on zooplankton in the upper layer and silver carp feeding on phytoplankton. The second one is midwater or column feeder. Fishes which live in the midwater or column water and feeding in the middle layer are called midwater or column feeder. The rohu feed on plant matter including decaying vegetation. The third one is bottom feeder. Fishes which live at the bottom and feed on benthi fauna is called bottom feeder. The mrigal feed on detritus and decaying vegetation, and common carp feed on mollusks and chironomus in the bottom mud. Type of fishes on the basis of manure of capture and ingestion, fishes are classified into several types. The first one is grazers. Grazing type of feeding is comparable to grazing behavior of cattle and sheep. Grazing fishes take their food by bites on a large spread of food organism. The grazers normally go in groups. Examples are butterfly fishes and parrotfishes, which are seen in coral reef feeding on coral polyps and on algae among the reef. The second one is strainers. They strain or sieve water to get the food material for which their gillrackets are modified. The gillrackets are numerous, elongated and closely setting. With the help of such gillrackets, they filter large volume of water to obtain small-sized planktonic organism. The typical examples are sardines, silver carp, and mackerel feed on copepod, but they make their other plankton of the size of the copepod. The third one is food suckers. This type of feeding habit is seen in the case of bottom-dwelling fishes. Here the fishes swallow their food by sucking the desired food or food containing material. The examples are angler and sturgeon fishes. The last one is parasite fishes. Parasitism is a specialized mode of feeding, and fishes are no exception to the highly evolved feeding habits. The parasite fishes feed on the body fluid of the host fish. Here the mouth is well developed and adapted to hold on the host and pierce and suck the body fluid. Examples are lamprey, sea lamprey, and Pacific lamprey. Thank you all.